The new Model Portfolio Trends Report section assists fi360 Toolkit users with their model portfolio tracking and reporting. This report section displays fundamental model data such as the current investments and their allocations, along with model risk and returns. It also displays model trends including asset class changes and rolling model portfolio returns, such as the example that we see here. To build this report, we first need to go into My Clients and build a historical record for our clients' model portfolios. In my example here, I have several years of information built into the system for my clients' model portfolios. If I need to add a new record into the system, such as a change in time, or just to further add to the historical nature of the report, I can go to the right-hand side, create a new portfolio period. I'm going to pull in another September period, and then create that record in the system. Obviously, you want to make changes to the portfolio value, update the investments to reflect the accurate investments for that data period. But once you've done that, we're going to archive the information to store the information in the system. Once I've built a historical record for our client, I can go into the current data period. And again, just to review, I'm going into the model portfolio section and reporting on the model portfolios built into the system for my 401k client. To run a report, I can go down into the Report Center section for our client and run the fi360 report template, the model portfolios fact sheet. As with all fi360 reports, if you're creating a report template, you can include this report section into any report template that you build in the fi360 toolkit. Once the report is complete, we will have the report available to us for review. This report breaks down both the current review of the model portfolios for each model stored in the system, and then provides a historical review of the models as well. The first page of this investment shows this income and growth portfolio built for my client here, and this shows the current allocation. It shows the standard deviation of the model, and then it also shows the model performance over time, comparing it to a peer group benchmark marked by the median manager for the investments, and a custom benchmark which you can include as well. Down below on this page, it will also show the underlying investments in the model and the allocation. The next page will over time show the historical model composition. If I had built models that had changed over time, this would show and reflect the changes. However, my models have not changed over time, so I'm going to get this straight line view across the models. But down below, I can begin to look at the 1, 3, 5, and 10-year history of the model, look at the return for the different periods, and look at the comparison to, again, the peer group benchmark and the custom benchmark if included. Each of these pages, back and front, will run for each model that you've stored in the system. And then the very last page will show all the underlying historical return data that is included in all of our reports for your review.